on, guys? Back here with another video. Like I said, I'm trying to make more videos, and this was an opportunity. So we're gonna be cooking some roast, and we're gonna be throwing it in a crock pot. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna be doing that. Let's get into the video. Alright, so we're gonna be making a roast. We got a chuck roast right there, some Angus. Big old piece of meat.
Don't put that in there.
We're gonna throw 3 cans of mixed vegetables in there. To drain the juice out, we're gonna pour that in there with it. Now we're gonna put butter and seasonings in there to give it some flavor. Just put it in there. Worcestershire. This is a bone sucking good. It's like a meat rub seasoning. Marinates pretty good. And we put this garlic and herb seasoning in there. Now we're gonna put some butter. Alright, so we're gonna turn this on high. And we're gonna put the lid on and lock it down. And we're gonna let that cook for about 6-7 hours, and then we'll be back to see the final result. Alright guys, so we just got off of work. We're headed home, and we're gonna go see how that roast looks. And blue lights be looking good though. I know you can't really smell this, but oh my god, that smells absolutely amazing. Looks amazing. So, gonna be eating good tonight, you guys. But anyway, you guys, we gotta go outside and cover these plants so they don't die tonight, because it's gonna get to 28 degrees tonight. So we gotta get out there and cover them. So let's go.
I'm about to reset.
Alright you guys, that should do it for the plants for tonight. Alright you guys, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay warm.